Welcome to my video on 10 tips about keto diet. If you're looking to embark on a journey toward a healthier lifestyle and explore the world of ketogenic eating, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will delve deep into the fascinating realm of the ketogenic diet, sharing invaluable insights and tips that will help you succeed on your keto journey. The ketogenic diet, often simply referred to as keto, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has gained immense popularity in recent years for its potential to promote weight loss, improve energy levels, and enhance mental clarity. By entering a state of ketosis, your body starts burning fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. But before you dive headfirst into this dietary adventure, here are 10 essential tips to ensure you get the most out of your keto experience. 1. Understand the basics. To embark on the keto journey, it's crucial to understand the fundamental principles of the diet. Keto involves drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake, increasing your fat consumption, and consuming a moderate amount of protein. Aim to keep your daily carb intake below 50 grams, with some individuals even going as low as 20-30 grams. 2. Plan your meals. Meal planning is the cornerstone of a successful keto diet. Strategically organize your meals and snacks to ensure you're getting the right balance of macronutrients. Incorporate a variety of healthy fats, such as avocados, olive oil, and nuts, to keep your energy levels stable. 3. Embrace quality fats. Not all fats are created equal. Focus on high-quality fats like those found in fatty fish, grass-fed meats, and coconut oil. These fats will provide essential nutrients and promote a sense of fullness. 4. Monitor your protein intake. Protein is an important part of the keto diet, but it's crucial not to overindulge. Consuming too much protein can potentially kick you out of ketosis. Maintain a moderate protein intake by including lean meats, poultry, and fish in your diet. 5. Stay hydrated. Hydration is essential on keto. The diet can cause your body to excrete more fluids and electrolytes, so it's crucial to stay well hydrated and replenish your electrolytes regularly. 6. Incorporate low-carb vegetables. Low-carb vegetables, like spinach, kale, and broccoli, are fantastic additions to your keto diet. They provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals without spiking your carb intake. 7. Read food labels. Become a vigilant label reader. Pay attention to hidden carbs and sugar in packaged foods, as they can sneakily add up and hinder your progress. 8. Embrace meal prepping. Preparing meals in advance can save you time and ensure you always have keto-friendly options readily available. It's a fantastic way to stay on track and avoid impulsive, carb-heavy choices. 9. Listen to your body. Every individual is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Pay attention to your body's signals and adjust your keto plan accordingly. If you experience side effects, such as the keto flu, consider supplementing with electrolytes or consulting a healthcare professional. 10. Be patient and persistent. Keto is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and results may vary from person to person. Be patient, stay consistent, and trust the process. Celebrate your victories along the way, whether it's weight loss, increased energy, or improved mental clarity. In conclusion, the ketogenic diet can be a transformative journey for your health and well-being, provided you follow these 10 tips to success. Remember to educate yourself, plan your meals thoughtfully, and embrace the wonderful world of healthy fats and low-carb vegetables. Stay hydrated, read labels, and be patient with yourself as you adapt to this new lifestyle. With time, persistence, and a little creativity in the kitchen, the keto diet can lead you to a healthier, more energetic, and clearer-minded version of yourself. So, seize this opportunity to embark on your keto adventure with confidence and determination. Cheers to your well-being and the exciting path ahead. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.